What's going on here?
On this episode of Rusty Gold, we show you what happens when you change one thing on a project and you've got to do another 6 changes. Alright, so this bonnet here that we've been working on is off a race truck, and they decided to, while it was apart, they were going to move the cab back about 450mm. So we had to extend the bonnet 450mm. But the problem is when you extend the bonnet, because of the shape of the bonnet, the width to where it shuts here, shut onto the cabin of the truck, is 1920. By the time you've run the length of the bonnet back here, because of the shape of it, you've ended up about 80mm too wide. So therefore we've then had to cut it down the centre here, cut out a wedge shape, 40mm aside, bring the side of the truck back in, so this dimension here where it's going to get cut is back to 1920. But then the problem is that was going to pull the guards in as well. So then it would have been out of shape, so then we've had to come along and split the guards up here and pull the side of the guard back out to its original dimension. Then they've lowered the cap, so then we've come along here, we've cut 110mm out of here, and then they've decided that then the bottom of the grill has to be raised up, so then we've gone and cut another 100mm, 110mm out of there, which I'm about to screw back together, so then we've got it shorter at the front.
Cool.
Right, so
that's a bit of work.
So it'll be cut, shut, sliced, diced,
and
stretched, narrowed.
Then go and fit it tomorrow.
So, yep, we'll put it on the truck tomorrow and check everything fits okay.
Alright, hopefully.
Back to the workshop to the trailer. Leave that one in until I get there.
I think it's the rotors.
Fun and games.
Shock top. Right, I think I'll get a few more bits of metal tab.